beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so do you know the powerful effect or the wonders of watermelon and ginger to the body? Because these things actually work so much for the skin. Now, do you actually take it like every time into your body? Now let me show you, because I'm actually going to be showing you and also going to be telling you what it does for your body. So you have to inculcate the habit of taking these two things. You can combine them together and take it. Combine it and take it, and you know, your skin is going to tell, your hair is going to tell, your nails is going to, like, so much. Alright, so let's get into the video, but before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to share this video. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna be needing to use watermelon. Now, watermelon helps you hydrate. It contains nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. It contains compounds that may help prevent cancer. It improves heart health, may lower inflammation and oxidative stress. It may help to prevent macular degeneration. It also helps to reduce muscle soreness. That also helps to improve digestion, remove belly fat, get rid of excessive stored fat. So the next ingredient we are going to be making use of, ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years for medical purposes. Possible health benefits include relieving of nauseousness. It also helps for catarrh. It helps for motion sickness and pain. The roots underground, it's great for spicing up food, and it's also great for removing belly fat. Alright, so we're gonna be cutting this into two. And now would have to blend. Also going to be preparing the ginger. So we're going to be taking just a little piece of ginger. Alright guys, so now we'll have to go and blend this. Okay, now you can either sieve it, or you can drink it this way, or you can use a juicer to juice it out. Okay, for me, I'm going to be sieving it. Alright, so here you have your watermelon juice, and this is how it looks like. Really nice. Drink this, you're going to have a healthy nails, healthy hair, and your skin is gonna be very glowing, and your body is gonna be really smooth. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Do this, okay? Cultivate this habit. Drink it every day, or every 2 days, or every 3 days, and you know, your inner beauty is gonna come out. Your skin is just gonna tell, because sometimes it's actually what we take inside that reflects on the skin. Do you know that? If you don't know that, know that now. So you have to take a whole lot of water, a whole lot of watermelon, and a whole lot of ginger. Okay, so go try this, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you do love it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawlessly beautiful. Bye, guys. Mwah.